College is expensive enough without finding out too late that an accident isn't covered under your current policies. So as you get your children ready to head off to school in the fall, there's one vital to-do to add to your list. Review your insurance coverage. It's important to keep in mind that policy language varies from state to state, and there are never one-size-fits-all situations. If you have questions or you want to go over your insurance needs, don't hesitate to contact us at Watkins Insurance Group. If your student will continue to drive while at home on school breaks, they should continue to be listed on your auto policy. If they are attending school more than 100 miles from home and are not taking a vehicle with them, the policy may qualify for a distant student discount. In most instances, a car registered to parents and listed on their policy will be covered if used by a listed student away at school. But you should make sure that your insurance carrier writes coverage in the college's state and location. And note that a change to the principal location of the vehicle could result in a change in premium. Students generally would be covered while driving a friend's car if the students are listed on their parents' policy and do not have regular use of the vehicle. The coverage would likely be secondary in this case, as the carrier for the friend's vehicle likely would be the primary coverage. Your student may qualify for a good student discount. To qualify, most insurance carriers require that the student must be enrolled in at least 4 courses per term as a full-time student at an accredited college or university and meet certain academic qualifications. Going away to school is an exciting time for both students and their parents. Making sure you've got the right insurance coverage can help you protect your assets as you invest in your child's future. We're here to help. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you found this information to be helpful, please click the like button below. We'd really appreciate it. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for new videos where we remove the mystery and frustration about insurance. If you want more information about Watkins Insurance Group or have questions about insurance in general, click the link in the description below. We're here to help.